Hey guys, today let's learn how to upload videos in full screen on TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and upload your own videos and have them full screen on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so this is going to be pretty easy. What we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application. And once we are already here, I would like you guys to proceed with launching the TikTok application and tapping on the plus icon right here in the middle, and that's gonna allow you guys to record a TikTok video. Let's go ahead and choose maybe just 15-second one and proceed with taking a video of whatever you'd like. Now, we do need to do this for this example, so I'm gonna go and put my phone on landscape real quick so that we can start out this specific process. Now, what I want to do is to go ahead and record a quick video right here. And once I'm already done, just gonna go ahead and just release this. I'm gonna tap on the checkbox. As you see, we have now already uploaded the specific video in landscape. But the only issue we have on here, it is of course on a portrait mode and it doesn't really look nice to watch. So what I want to do is to go ahead and enter the edit mode of this video. And to do that, all you need to tap on is the option over here on our right part of the screen. So let's go ahead and tap on the drop down option. And I want you to tap on the option called adjust clips, or it right here. Now, we do have that option to basically edit our video. Now, and what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and basically proceed with viewing of this video and basically checking if everything is correct. But I want you to scroll down or basically locate onto the bottom part of this ring over here, the option to rotate. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this video 3 times so that I can have it onto full screen mode on the portrait orientation of TikTok. Now once you're happy with what you've done, you'll proceed with uploading this full screen video, or a 9:16 aspect ratio video on the 16:9 aspect ratio that TikTok has. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.